Tonle Sap Lake is the biggest freshwater lake in Asia. Today we come to this community to connect 52 households with Okra grid. The project was funded by EU and Oxfam. Currently, this community uses the Kbal Toal and the PV that they bought from the local market. But the PV that they bought from the local market just only small, which is just only power to fuel line or even this small fan, just a few hours a day.
រកតែកន្លែងណាស្រួលដែរខ្ញុំរកស្រួលព្រោះខ្ញុំអ្នកតកាត់ត្រីកាត់អីខ្ញុំរកតែម្ដងមានភ្លើងប្រើស្រេច
Solar mesh grid is unique is because it is a reliable solution. When we install the solar panel on the roof and between household to household, we can connect the network together at the decentralized and then share power. The key challenge out of the floating village is the household always move around during the dry and the rainy season.
ខែប្រាំងទឹកខែវស្សាទឹកឡើងខ្លាំងដល់ពេលខែប្រាំងគឺទឹកស្រកទៅវិញអស់
When the water level go high, the people was move around their household and tie their house with the tree where they can avoid from the windy and then just stay there for a while, and then after the water go low and then they move around the households again to the original place where they used to stay before. Okra grid is the perfect for them. They can connect house to house when they are close to each other, and also they can disconnect when the household need to move around to somewhere else. So it's easy, just plug and play for the solar grid solution. With Okra grid, we want them to use with the rice cooker, induction cooker, as well as other appliances with the electricity.
ខ្ញុំនិយាយទៅខ្ញុំតាំងពីដាក់តាំងពីសាលានេះមកខ្ញុំស្រួលត្រង់មិនស្មើណាខ្ញុំមានភ្លើងខ្ញុំប្រើភ្លើងភ្លាមបានភ្លាមដូចជាសាក់បាសសាក់ក្បាលកែវសាក់ទូរស័ព្ទហើយនឹងដាំបាយបើកភ្លើងខ្ញុំប្រើបាន5មុខ